For this section, I'll show you how to properly connect texture maps exported from Substance Painter to an Arnold aiStandardSurface shader in Maya. Open Maya Hypershade. Go to the Create tab, Arnold and Shader. Create an aiStandardSurface shader. Open the folder where you exported your texture maps. Drag and drop the 4 texture maps you exported from Substance Painter into the Hypershade work area. Organize the nodes so that you can see connection points for all textures and shader. Select the base color maps out color and connect it to the base color input of the shader. Select the roughness maps out alpha and connect it to the specular roughness input of the shader. Select the metallic maps out alpha and connect it to the metalness input of the shader. For the normal map, follow these additional steps. Go to the Create tab and in the search bar type Normal. Create an AI Normal Map node. Connect the out color of the normal map to the input of the AI Normal Map node. Connect the output of the AI Normal Map node to the normal camera input of the aiStandardSurface shader. Now, let's set the correct color space for each texture map. In Arnold, different types of textures need different color space settings to ensure accurate rendering. Base color and normal maps should be set to sRGB, as we're taking color information from the texture. Roughness, metalness should be set to raw as they are grayscale data maps. Keeping these settings correct ensures physically accurate shading and lighting in your renders. Additionally, for any grayscale maps that use the out alpha output to connect to the shader, such as roughness, metalness, be sure to check alpha is a luminance in the file node under color balance settings. If this setting is not enabled, the values may not be interpreted correctly in the render, leading to inaccurate material appearance.